Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you this interesting minibus. You see these in the Philippines, and there's something very unique about them. They seat, I think, about 9 people. You can see there's 2 bench style seats in the back. Standing out in the middle of the road, and it's a 3-wheel, so it seats 9 people. And if you look closely, you'll see it's powered by a little Kawasaki motorcycle, like a 125 right in the middle. Many times you see these that are very, very nice. They have luxury appointments and stuff. This one is obviously just a basic one, not real fancy, but you see these going down the road with, I've seen as many as 10 people, maybe 12 people on these things, all powered by a small displacement little Honda motorcycle. He's even got a karaoke machine in this one. And there's the little motorcycle. So there you go. Transportation in the Philippines. And these are workhorses. You see these along with the regular trikes, which are these right here, which you can get sometimes 4 to 5 people on those, depending on how much luggage you have. But very cool. And here's one in action, loaded with people.